Hi there, how you doing? This is a video about the Kärcher, like it says in front of you. The T350, it's called the T3 Racer Surface Cleaner. And it goes with my K4 Compact. You can see the state of these slabs. Not a pretty sight. And that's me using a tub of water with a special feeder hose with a non-return valve and so on. And that's the T350, the Racer. I'm pointing out the nozzles on it. There's two that spin very fast. I'll show you later. You have to change these sometimes when you get it. And you can see the speed, look. You have to change those nozzles for ones that fit. But all the instructions are on the box, which I'll show you later. Now, I might have to speed this up a bit because you don't want to sit for 20 minutes watching me do a few slabs. It doesn't take 20 minutes, as you can see. And now these are old slabs, and they're got a dimpled surface, unlike some of others. So the dirt really does stick to these. I don't use a detergent. I've tried it once before somewhere and it wasn't a success. Well, let's put it this way, it was £7 wasted. So I didn't bother with it. Water, I've got abundance of. I say I've just got tubs that I use to catch rainwater, for washing the car or doing the garden or anything that needs doing. And the rest I use for cleaning the woodwork to the right I'm going to do. You'll see when I put the lance on. And these slabs here. Just as an example, and then I shall go on to something else here. I'm out of sight, but I am still working, honest. I know it doesn't look like it, but I am. Look, see, you can see the end of the thing. Right, there's the lance. You can see what it's doing to the wood. I'm not doing the fence, just the kickboard at the bottom. And that's me cleaning the dirty water off. I'm not blasting the slabs. Not at that distance, I'm not. I'm just cleaning the dirty water off. And there you are, before and after. The top bit's the after bay. And the mucky bit with the tripod leg, that's really clever, that, is the dirty lot. Now, I'm not going to make you stand in water or sit and watch while I do the lot, honest. And there's a straight line down there where I've done the last of the old slabs. And here's my kit. That's the hose, that's the non-return valve that you drop in the tub, and that's the lever handle that stops it falling in. And that bit fits there where the ordinary hose pipe would plug into. It just screws on there, and I'm pulling out the one thing above it, which is actually, you'll see, it's the tube that goes on your detergent bottle, screws onto it. I don't use it, mentioned that, don't. I've got some, I use it on the car, not the patio cleanser, of course. And this is the actual T350, and here's how it breaks down. Two bits of handle, and you're left with the T350 in your hand. And I'm just showing you them nozzles again. No, I'm not. I'm picking dirt out from inside, a bit of leaf or something. Now that's the box the T350 came in. And I'm showing you now the different nozzles. They are marked green and pink, but I've used the pinky ones, and I've put the old ones in there, the ones that came with the Karcher, because I needed the pink ones. That's basically it. Full instructions anyway. Kärcher are brilliant with their instructions. And if you get stuck, go look online. You'll get idiots like me listing these sort of things just to show you. And if you wonder about the corset, I've got a bit of a dodgy back. So anytime I do anything that involves that 4-letter word, work, I try to remember to put it on. It just saves me being laid up for a day or 3. Now, there you are. You can see that stripe and new slabs there next to the old ones. Big difference, eh? Really big difference. And we're just coming up to the end now. Hope you enjoyed it. Ta-ra the new Jimmy.